guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited because I'm back with another decorate with me videos. For next 2 videos this week will be all about decorating. I'm going to be adding some Valentine's Day touches to my rec room, but today we're going to be working on some tier trays, which is one of my favorite seasonal decorating type of video to make. I have 3 tier trays I'm going to try and fill for kind of Valentine's Day mainly, but the hints of spring and just, you know, more of a romantic type of tier trays. So I also want to mention that this video is part of a collaboration that I'm hosting. I do this seasonally, so there will be a playlist linked down below, and I have some fabulous ladies joining me, so make sure you check out that playlist after you're done watching this video. Like I said, the theme is Valentine's Day, so if you're looking for some small touches of Valentine's decor for you to add to your home, make sure you check out the playlist because there's gonna be tons of inspirations for you there. So all these tier trays that I am using, I had DIY'd over on my DIY channel, so if you want to check them out, I will leave the link down below in the description box for these videos for you to check out. But today we're gonna be decorating them, so I'm going to start with the smallest one and move on. So let's get started. And before we do, I just want to mention a lot of my things that I'm going to be putting on them are DIY items, but I have purchased a couple things too, but most of them will be DIY. I will walk you through it as I'm decorating and letting you know what came from where. So I'm going to be adding this milk jug that I thrifted. I actually have a sticker here that I need to remove, but for right now I'm just going to decorate it. I thrifted it for $3. Then I am going to add these Queen Anne's lace. These came from Dollar Tree.
My world is spinning round, round, round. Oh, I want you now, now, now. My world is spinning round, round, round. And I want you now, and I want you now. My world is spinning round, round, round.
I also have this rose. I think this is, I don't know if it's soap or if it's, I don't think it's candle because it doesn't have a wick. But I got this, I ordered a dough bowl candle and they sent me this as a little gift. But it smells really, really good.
If you feel lonely, I will be here and wait.
So this came from Dollarama and I DIY'd this one, and then I also picked up a set of these mugs from Home Sense.
Looking to the rising sun, this is where we belong, we belong. A new day will soon begin, that's what I've been here for all along.
These are solar wood flowers, so I'm just going to add a couple in there, and then I have these little hearts that came from Dollarama as well.
This will always stay the same. Here by the ocean, fire is burning, flares
to switch a couple things around here. Keep it more in the pink family since these flowers are pinkish. I think that's gonna look better. I just love the way this tier tray turned out. I think it looks so soft and neutral. I love the soft pinks. The Queen Anne's lace I think is perfect here, and I just love it.
Young, and we didn't want to be exposed. Even though it was cold, we were never wearing proper clothes.
Now I'm going to work on this one. Now this one is a little bit harder to decorate because the very top part is so tiny, and then the two other ones I did them because I wanted a taller one, but I don't always have a tall things to put in between. So just bear with me, but I will get it down to the way I want to. If you've been following along, you know that I rarely ever hit the nail the first time. I always play around with all the things that I have until I reached the look that I'm going for. So if you've been following along, you've probably seen this bouquet. I use it often, and this was actually my wedding bouquet.
We were younger. I remember a girl. I would sneak into her parents' house. I could stay for hours, and we looked into each other's eyes. Hey, I thought I was Romeo. I was looking for my Juliet.
If this is your first time stopping by, and if you're stopping by from the playlist, welcome. My name is Sonja, and on this channel I do tons of decorate with me's as well as clean and organize and all the home related things, homemaking related things. So if this is something that you enjoy watching, make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future uploads. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome again. So glad that you're back, and I am ever so grateful for all your support.
When we were younger.
So as you can see, I did go with more of the reds, but still keeping the neutral elements on here. So they all kind of tie in together since they're all gonna be in one room.
Then was black and white. When we were younger.
I lose my breath whenever I see you.
The last one that I'm working on, this one is going to go in between my office and the rec room, so it's going to be tying in the two rooms. So I want to make sure it has a little bit of both of the pinkish and the reddish colors.
Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you.
And when you are decorating tier trays, keep in mind where the tray is going. Do you need to decorate just the front of it, the sides of it, all the way around? So if you are having a tray right up against the wall, you probably don't need to decorate all the sides, just the ones that you will be able to see when you look at it.
I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others.
Well, I hope this video gave you some ideas for your Valentine's tier tray decorating, and don't forget to check out the playlist for even more. And like I said, if you're stopping by for the very first time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and a notification bell. And if you're returning, thank you so much for your continuing support. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you all so much for watching.
You said